Edge Grain MaxBlok modules. Weld-tight installation. The operator must use personal protective equipment required for this work: face shield, safety glasses, mask, gloves, and rough clothing. The work surface should be prepared so that it is free of rust, paint, and/or any other element that prevents the proper installation of the modules. A conventional welding machine and a portable welding stud gun is required. Before the start of modules installation, it's required to prepare a folded batten strip. It must bend to the same thickness of the modules installed. Using a knife, cut the fiber the same measure of the thickness module. Previous to the installation, prepare all the tools and equipment of protection needed. Prepare extra studs to replace them if the installed ones in the modules fail. Place the first module in the initial position of the installation. Insert the end of the stud gun inside the aluminum tube. Position the gun perpendicular to the hot side of the module and gently press until the spring tension on the gun is fully compressed. Pull and hold the trigger for the weld to occur and tighten the nut of the pipe against the support module. Do not release the trigger until the module is tight against the wall. Maintain pressure while you are screwing the nut. When the gun stops spinning, the nut will be tightened and the trigger can be released. Remove the aluminum tube. Repeat this operation with as many modules necessary to complete the first row. It's possible that you require help from another person to press the module against the other to achieve the proper seal. After the first row, you must place the folded batten strip. This should be as long as the installed modules. Press lightly. Before starting the installation of the second row of modules, use a slide sheet that will help the installation of the following modules. Place the first module and follow the same procedure of the previous row to complete the second row of modules. The slide sheet is used to slide each module on the previous row. Observe how the slide sheet is used to move a module after another. Continue the same process until you cover completely the surface of the furnace. Once finished covering the whole surface with modules, there is a need to use a fumigating pump to spray water. Make sure that the water flow is constant. Starting from the top, spray the surface of the modules in a uniform way. Using a mesh grill, compress smooth and uniformly across the surface of the modules.